So you want to know how to change the line spacing. There are a few different ways to go about this. One of the ways is to press F11 to open the styles menu. If you are fine with using a fixed style, then you can choose one here. Usually you'll have the default paragraph style. You can also use the body text, which will have larger line spacing. You can also go in here, right-click to paragraph, edit style, and change your line spacing right here. You can apply this for the selected style, and all the text with this style will have the selected line spacing. What you'll probably want to do, however, is go here, set line spacing. And you can just set spacing to single, to 1.5, or even double. Or if you want to go crazy, you can go here and choose from many more options. For example, you can go at least and enter your value of choice, and it'll apply at least this line spacing. Why at least? Well, if you enter a very small value, you can see nothing will change because it wouldn't make sense. If you want to force it, well, you can go to fixed, and now it's totally unreadable, but at least it's what you entered. Usually you'll just use 1.15 or 1.5, but what if you don't see this toolbar here? Let's pretend it's gone, close toolbar. You can go here to view, to toolbars, and you can see there's a large selection. What you want is the formatting toolbar. Click, and there we are. That's really all there's to it. So there you go, that's how you change your line spacing.